Hey guys, this is Niko, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the struggles I have with Facebook ads. And I'm pretty sure I'm not alone, because whenever I go on Reddit or any Facebook ads related Facebook group, I see a lot of people complaining about the quality of the Facebook ads platform. I see a lot of people complaining how they're not getting the same results. And I can say in this video that we're all in the same boat. Whenever your life depends on a single platform, it's just very difficult not to think about it, not to research what's happening. When you have a problem, you're just striving to find the solution. And in this video, I'm gonna share 3 reasons why everyone is struggling with Facebook ads. I'm gonna start with the first reason why you're struggling, and I'm also struggling with Facebook ads. Let's call this the first problem we have, and this is the remove targeting. If you've been following Facebook for the last few years, you'll know that Facebook started removing targeting options. First, they started removing targeting interests, then they introduced Advantage Plus campaigns, which is an option for you to set campaigns very quickly. The Advantage Plus campaigns are automatic campaigns that you can basically set within a few clicks. Those campaigns are extremely easy to set up on one hand, but on the other hand, those campaigns are not working well for everybody. If you have a mass appeal product, if your product is something that everybody wants to buy, you'll be extremely successful with Advantage Plus. What you need to do is set the campaign, set a creative, and it's gonna run for ages. And if that's the case for you, if your product has a mass appeal, go ahead, experiment with Advantage Plus. All you need to do is just find a very good creative. However, if you sell to a niche market, things are getting very difficult, because we have less control to target our ideal client. It was very easy before. We had a lot of interest, we had a lot of data about our customer, but right now with Facebook ads, it's very difficult to run a niche business, and this is the reality. If you go on YouTube and if you follow any of the Facebook ads gurus, they're gonna say broad targeting is the way to go, you should do Advantage Plus. But when you test it in your own campaigns, this just doesn't work. So what I do instead, I help many businesses with Facebook ads, and mainly I work with niche businesses who sell to a niche market. So what I'm really successful with are the lookalike audiences, and I also target interests, and I also set up my remarketing campaigns the old school way. The Advantage Plus campaigns are not working for many of my clients. If I try to do broad targeting, this also doesn't work. The broad targeting and the Advantage Plus campaigns will work for somebody who has a lot of data for their ideal clients. And by a lot of data, I mean you having a lot of purchases, you having a lot of leads completed, and the pixel needs to have the data so it can target your future clients or your future leads or whatever. But if you're in a niche market, if you're just starting out, this will not work. If you're struggling because you cannot target, and you're gonna see that because the click-through rate on your ads will be very low, you need to start playing with interests, you need to start playing with lookalike audiences, you need to set up a very strong remarketing. That way you ensure you're gonna capture the attention on your website, on your funnel for longer. And this is the game we play right now. In many cases, we don't have any control over what we are targeting, just mainly the algorithm controlling our results. It's the algorithm controlling our lives, which brings me to the second problem I have with Facebook ads. This is the increased ad cost. I ran my very first ad in 2015, and back then the cost per click on Facebook was maybe 15 to 25 cents. It was extremely easy to get purchases, it was extremely easy to get conversions. But now in 2024, the cost of advertising skyrocketed. There are many reasons why. The first reason that comes to my mind is that right now is the attention economy, it's the content creator economy, and a lot of people are coming to the platform, and a lot of people are trying to sell products, a lot of people are starting e-com businesses, a lot of people are starting info businesses. That means there is a lot more competition on those platforms, which drives the cost very high. So how to overcome the competition? You cannot really overcome the competition. If there is a money in the niche, it's gonna be overcrowded. There are gonna be a lot of people who try to sell products. So in order to survive, in my opinion, you need to become a full stack marketer. You need to invest a lot into your copywriting skill. You need to invest a lot into your media buying skills, you need to understand how businesses works. You need to understand what makes the business you're working for or your business profitable, and you need to have a very complete observation of the whole process from somebody clicking on the ad to becoming a customer. And this is not easy. This is gonna take years for you to develop. I would really suggest that you start reading old advertising books. I would really suggest you start reading human psychology, because there you'll find the underlying foundations of why people click on ads and buy products. And if you already have the idea of how people's mind work and why they buy products, Facebook ads become very, very easy. That's why I'm gonna invite you to invest into your knowledge. If you wanna start with a great book, I suggest Claude Hopkins, My Life in Advertising. I think this is a great book to start, and I think this book will give you a lot of ideas on how to advertise and promote your products or services, or if that's the case, your clients' products and services. And this brings me to the next point I would like to make, or the third problem. And this is a problem that pretty much anybody else have. It's not just us, the marketers. And this is bad economy. The economy is not great. Although the Bitcoin is skyrocketing, although the S&P and the Nasdaq are skyrocketing, I feel like people are not buying as much as they used to. Their purchasing power is lower than it used to be the last 2 years. And if I have to compare 2019 to 2023-24, making purchases on Facebook ads is getting much harder, and I feel like people don't have enough money to buy our products. I mainly sell expensive products. I don't think I have a product that is priced under 200 right now. I can read the comments on some of my ads and people complain that it's way too expensive, that they don't have money, that is the recession, that there is inflation, people don't have money for food, so therefore they cannot afford to buy an expensive online course. And I get it. The economy is really bad. However, I don't want to use this as an excuse, but this is just the fact, because whenever I open YouTube, whenever I open any news media website, there is always articles and videos about the recession, about inflation. Some people are really scared about it. To be honest with you, I also fear a bad economy, because in the last 5 years, maybe since I started my agency, things were going great. No matter what campaigns I run, they were working pretty well. But right now I see that getting sales on Facebook is not as it used to be. If you ask me, there is not a real solution to fixing a bad economy. This is not a video where I'll talk about why the economy is bad and what to do to fix the economy, but I'm gonna share what I'm gonna do with my business. I'm gonna create some products that are recession proof. Even if the economy is bad, people are still gonna buy some products. My idea as a marketer would be to create products that people wanna buy, especially when it's the recession. I'm gonna focus my effort only on the things that used to work very well for my business and also my clients' businesses, because I also work with clients. Right now, I don't have any recession-proof plan, because I don't really know how the recession or the inflation is gonna hit us, but I'm trying to prepare myself mentally. I'm trying to think of ideas and strategies of how I'm gonna deal with the upcoming recession, or maybe we're now in a recession. Whenever I watch these YouTubers, everybody has their own opinion, but from what I see in my ad accounts, there is definitely something happening with the economy. Hopefully I'm wrong, hopefully the economy is good, but if you're watching this video so far, you know there is something very wrong with the world right now. And this is just the reality, and this is just the beginning. But what I also believe is that bad economy also means opportunity for a lot of people. Maybe after the recession is over, a lot of your competitors will be out of business. Maybe you come up with a great product that is recession proof and you'll be able to make a lot of sales, make a lot of money. Whatever that is, still some businesses will need to advertise no matter how bad the economy is. I believe if you are in the Facebook ads / media buying / agency, you can always find a way to shift your business so you can survive. But let's see what's gonna happen. Now I'm curious to hear your opinion. Do you think that there is something going with the economy? Is the bad economy affecting her Facebook ads account? Let me know in the comments. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you wanna get better with Facebook ads, check out my online course, the Targeting Academy. Link in the description below. I'll talk to you soon.